You ready?
I guess.
He's never ready. We are going to start out by working on a variation on forearm stand, which is going to be a figure 4 shape. So we'll start out by warming up in lizard. Tony, I'm going to go ahead and have you come to a lunge. So if you want to make your way to a lunge, and go ahead and heel toe your right foot out to about a 45-degree angle, flex it, try to roll into the outer edge of the foot and stay here. Option to go ahead and bend the back knee, reach back with the opposite hand, the right hand grab a hold of the foot, and then just try to spin your chest open. And you can stay here for as long as you want. And I'm gonna have Tony switch sides because we'll do a few demos before we get started, so feel free to stay in that shape for now. But eventually, left foot at the top, flex the foot, let the knee fall open, try to spin your chest open, reach back, grab a hold of the opposite foot. Think about spiraling this left inner thigh away from your body and towards the back of the mat. Great job. You can take a moment, Tony, maybe go back to that seated figure 4 shape. If you want to sit down, right ankle on top of the left knee. He's going to sit out. Tony's in a little bit more of this double pigeon shape, which is a great place to start. But I want to show you the figure 4. The figure 4 is a really challenging hop. So I'll show it to you, and then you're going to switch legs in your figure 4 seated shape. Left ankle on top of the right knee when you're ready. So eventually we're going to make this same shape in dolphin. And notice how my knee wants to come forward towards my chest. I'm going to flex my foot and press the knee away from the body. And I'm going to bring this foot in a little closer and maybe just try a couple of little baby hops, or I'm going to try a little bit bigger hop. But notice how I'm just kind of easing into it to see how much momentum I need to go all the way up. We're going to work this as a straight up and down shape, and then we're going to melt our heart, pull our chest foot through. Try to use the heel to move the foot closer to the head, and then eventually try to land down as slowly as possible. Okay, so as we move towards this, we'll do it at the wall, and we'll also do it either on a chair or a stool or whatever you have handy. It's always fun when we watch me try to instruct Tony to get into this shape. Okay, Tony, go ahead and come to dolphin pose with your feet touching the bottom of the stool. Feet on the ground, dolphin. So forearms are down, elbows are shoulder width apart, and I want to hug my upper arms in, round through the upper back, try to squeeze the middle, feel my pecs engage. So I want my elbows to be just in line with my shoulders, that way I have space to push, and think about the idea of this cat-cow action. Melting your heart, pressing your chest back towards your legs, rounding and pushing. When you're ready, step your feet onto the stool, and then press your hips over your shoulders. From this shape, right ankle on top of your left knee. There we go. Notice how this knee wants to fall towards the floor. We want to try to get him to energetically push the knee away and just open up the hip and take a few breaths. Switch it out when you're ready. And if you're not trying it with us at home, give it a shot. Press this knee up towards the sky. Again, your foot could be on a chair, on your couch, on your stool, or of course on the wall. And then when you're ready, go ahead and come down, Tony. Both feet to the floor. You guys relax, take a moment to rest. Okay, so you might just be comfortable working on building the strength and body awareness in this shape like we just did at the wall. But if you want to try to work towards hopping towards it, I'm going to hop with my back towards the wall this time. So I'll show it first, and then we'll try it together. And sometimes the goal isn't about holding, sometimes the goal is about hopping. So don't feel like you have to get all the way up to be able to try this, okay? So from my dolphin shape, my elbows are shoulder width apart. Notice how I'm melting my heart. I'm gonna round and push to create space between my face and the floor. Lift your hips up. Take your left ankle on top of your right knee and just energetically press that left knee away. And stay here. I'm gonna get right into it and take a hop up. And if my foot touches the wall, instead of being in a back bend to start out, I'm gonna bend my knee, tuck my tailbone, push the floor away, possibly doing a couple of dolphin push-ups from this shape. We'll come down and we'll try the second side. You ready to try it, Tony? Okay, we're gonna try 5 hops off of each leg or a single hold. And you can do it hopping towards the wall, or you can do it hopping towards the middle of the room if you feel comfortable with that. So come back down. Yeah, there we go. Tony just went up and then made the shape, right? And that's another way of approaching it. And it doesn't have to be the same thing every time, but we're really focusing on this round, energetically pressing this right knee away from the body. When you're ready, let's try 5 hops off the other side. Or if you have the balance like Tony, we're just gonna switch. Again, as we start out, we're focusing on pushing this left knee away from the body. When you're ready, come down, take a break, chill out. Okay, we spend a lot of time working on a double stag shape, right? So let's make our way to hands and knees. And just bend your right knee, flex your right foot, and press your right heel up towards the sky. And for this, we're gonna point our toe and almost try to pull our heel in towards our glute so we can feel that hamstring and glute engage. When you're ready, we'll change legs. Find this little pulsing action. Okay, so when we started out, we focused on the leg that's crossed in front, right, for a figure 4 shape. Energetically pressing that knee away from the body, right? This time, we're gonna focus on the opposite leg. So ankle on top of the knee, focused on the first leg. Now we're gonna focus on the bottom leg, and we'll try to take a hop, but we'll start it at the wall first. So go ahead and start out like we first set it up. So dolphin with your feet on a chair, on a stool, or on the wall, whatever you have handy. Try not to smash your dog. Elbows are shoulder width apart. Round through the upper back, squeeze the middle, right ankle on top of your left knee. Take a moment here, flex the foot, press the knee away from the body. Great job. Then both feet take this heel towards your glute this time. You don't have to hop, so you put this foot back on the stool. Now, just bend the knee, flex the foot, and pull the heel in. Okay, so now we're focusing on the second leg, and we'll switch it out. So start out in your figure 4 shape, T. Great job. And then bring that right foot back to the stool. And then take this other leg, and this time we're trying to combine the motions and feel the hamstring and glute engage. Come down, take a break. You might just feel comfortable staying there, but if you want to try to hop towards the wall, we're going to focus on engaging our hamstring and glute. I'll demonstrate it, and then we'll take a couple hops, okay? So position yourself less than a foot away from the wall. I'll do left ankle on top of the right knee. I'm going to hop this right foot in closer. And as I hop up, this time take your right foot towards the wall. And then I want to push the floor away, right? You might just stick with these dolphin push-ups. Or melt your chest, pull your heart through, and try to pull your foot in closer to your face, towards your head. I'm switching to the top of the foot. Try to push the top of the foot into the wall to feel my hamstring and glute engage, and then eventually come down. Okay, so if you're watching for the demo, we'll do the other side, and I'm going to show what it's going to look like if you hop towards the middle of the room. So if I bring my elbows down directly below my shoulders, I'll do left ankle on top of the right knee. I'm going to lean into it, take a hop up, get up there, bend my knee. I'm going to use my left heel as resistance to push my right foot closer to my head as I pull my heart through. And you don't have to get your foot all the way to your head, but the idea is that you can use that opposite leg to create resistance. So let's try either a hold on both legs at the wall, one on each side, or just try 5 hops. And think about this action of heel to the butt. So I just do boom, heel to the butt 5 times. And don't even worry about the back bend action. All right, you ready, T? It's 5 hops, or it's just a 5-second hold on each side. So when you're ready, let's give it a shot. Great job. He's just gonna hop and then ankle on top of the knee. There we go. And I want him to try to feel his hamstring and glute engage and pull this heel in towards the butt for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down, or just change legs. Heel to the butt. Try to feel this hamstring and glute engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down. Take a break. Ooh, you almost smashed Sunny.
Saw him.
Okay, guys. I hope you liked it, but otherwise we're gonna finish out today in celebration of Super Sue, i.e. Susan Hickey, who turns 50 today, and she unfortunately told me that she was turning 50, so we're gonna do 50 chaturangas. Now keep in mind, if you can't do 50 push-ups, instead of making a box with my body, I'm gonna try to make a diagonal line with my body, press the back of the head in my ceiling. Elbows go straight back. Maybe I want to come all the way down, or maybe I want to stop halfway. Okay? And that can be on or off your knees. Come on, Tony. You gotta face the camera, that way we say whose chicken's out. Ready? Get up.
We'll go by tens.
Come on, that's what Tony does.
5.
Hands at the top, T. Over here. All right, you guys ready? We're gonna do 50, and of course you don't have to do 50, but when you're ready, I guess I'll count in sets of 10. Here we go.
Ready?
Yes.
10, 20,
9,
30,
8,
40,
7, stop, 6, I won't be able to count, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, second set, come on team, 10, 9, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, stop, you're making me laugh, 2, 1, round 3. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 4. We're almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Get up, Tony. Come on. Quit being a chicken. Come on. You get a moment of a break, okay? Come on. Come on, team. Get up.
Come on, Tony.
10, 9,
No.
8,
No.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I'm good.
Lord. 2.
Yes.
1. Push back, chances. You didn't even do all of them.
Oh, I did.
And you didn't have to talk during it.
Oh,
What a mess.
You poor thing.
I know. If you like the video, we are taking donations on the website, and we are pumping out a new class every day, which isn't necessarily this class, but there's actually a flow on there. But otherwise, tune in tomorrow if you want to play around with some inversions. So anyways, hope everybody has a great day.